Okay, so I'm starting from the Thomas Tallis School website, and I'm going to scroll down and click on Education at Home Resources. This takes you to all the stuff you'll need while the school's closed. We're looking at maths, so I'm scrolling down to, there's a link here on the right for Kerboodle. So I'm going to click on that and it takes you to the login page. So I'm going to log in using a student's account. Someone who I know won't have accessed it because they've moved to America. So I've put in initial and surname, and the password is exactly the same, no capital letters, etc. If you've got a hyphen or there's more than one person in school with the same details, you'll need to contact your maths teacher or Mr. Kalis to help you log in. Or you can click here where it says trouble logging in, and that will send a password and your username to your school email, so you could try that first. The institution code is the same for everyone, it's OPM6. That's an O, not a 0. You then click login. When you first log in, it will ask you to change your password when you first log in. So I've already logged in as this student once, so you just change it to a memorable password and save it. You've then got loads of languages stuff. Down the bottom you've got maths and a bit of geography as well. If you click on the star, then you'll make maths a favourite, and it will appear at the top every time you log in. So you then click here and you see this page, and you're going to use the digital book. You might start to use assessments once we've got into the hang of this, and teachers might start setting you assessments, so you could check regularly on there. You should see them crop up in notifications here once your teachers start to set those. But for now, it's the digital book. You click on the digital book and it gives you 3, if not even 4, a fourth online textbook. So the one that most of you will be looking at is Foundation. If you're sort of in year 7, 8, 9, some of you will be looking at the higher textbook. There's a homework book and there's a standard one with a pretty shell. Most of the work you've been set is on here. So you would click on here and it will open it up at the front page. If you were in the middle of something, it will take you back to the page you were on. Then in this little box here where it says go to, that's where you will put in the page number that is on the plan that has been put on your insight. So depending on what year group you're in, you have a plan. So it might say do pages 11 and 12. 11 might be information, 12 might be telling you how to do it. You'll have to look on Insight at your specific plan. There's a year 7, 8, 9 and 10 one, and maybe even 11, I'm not sure, just check. And go and do some maths. If all else fails, pick a topic from the contents page. If you can't find that plan, there's loads of stuff here. You could pick something that you know you've done, check you can do it, or something that you think looks interesting and have a read about it. Most pages come in twos, so there is a page that explains how to do something with examples, and then a page of questions to practice. At the rear of the book, so at the very end of this book, there are answers. Use those sensibly to mark your work. There are no answers for the homework books, but as teachers we are doing those and we are sharing them with each other, and they will be uploaded onto Insight for you to use. Again, if you need one of those, contact your teacher and they will add it to it. I hope that helps. Good luck, and if you do get stuck, you can email your maths teacher or Mr. Kalis and he will be able to help you. Hope you're all safe and well. Take care.